Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they want to know, I added the alt line, the alt key. They forgot to, before they started smart filling it, to group your lines together. He wants to get rid of the lines. So you'd have to go through individually and just pick your lines and, whatever. But since there's nothing in the center, if you will hold down the Alt key and grab your pick tool, let's just zoom in here, take your pick tool and then hold down the Alt key and just make a square box. Anything the Alt key touches will delete. Now, if he wanted those outer lines, let's see, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 10 inches. If he wanted these outer lines for a reason, I actually move it back, and then nudge it out of the way. If he wanted these outer and inner lines, now you could take the Alt key with the pick tool and see if nothing's selected, but then when you hold down the Alt, just make a square. It selected all 60 objects. Now, if he wanted this back, you could take the Smart Fill tool. Let's set it on green for say, and look, and then go to Object Order, back a page. And then you could always make that inside. Let's make the inside blue. I don't know what his plans are. And there you have it. But the easiest thing to do is when you rotate those lines around, go ahead and group them together before you smart fill it. But if you forget, there's an easy way to do it right there. Thank you. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.